Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to present you how to make all lines same length in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Then insert a line shape. Now we can see here we insert a line shape. Now we go to the again in Shapes drop down menu and insert another line shape. Then press Shift on our keyboard to select this multiple line shape and click the Format menu and select the white 2. Then press Enter. Now we can see here we make the all lines same length. Then go to the alignment option and choose align left, and you can see or make sure this line shape length is all same. You can change the line shape color, click the shape outline and choose any color. Otherwise you can change the style, click the style drop down menu and choose any style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.